In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gantt chart in ClickUp. Let's start inside your workspace. On the left sidebar, you'll see your main navigation. Head to your Spaces area. This is where your projects and folders live. Choose the space that contains the work you want to visualize. Spaces keep things organized, so pick the one that best matches your project or team to make your Gantt chart accurate and easy to maintain. Once you're in the right space, open the View options. Views let you look at the same work in different ways, and the Gantt view is perfect for timelines and dependencies. From the list of available views, select Gantt. The chart will load with a timeline across the top and your tasks in rows. If you already have tasks with start and due dates, they'll appear as bars on the timeline. If nothing shows up, don't worry. Either your tasks don't have dates yet, or filters might be hiding them. Next, set the time period so the chart matches your planning horizon. Click Time Period and pick the zoom level that fits your need. Days for detailed scheduling, weeks for sprints, or months for roadmap planning. You can also choose a date range to focus on a specific window. A quick tip: zooming out for a broad view and then zooming in for fine-tuning helps you spot overlaps and gaps quickly. Now, refine what you see with filters. Click Filter to narrow your chart to only the most relevant tasks. You can filter by status to focus on, say, active or blocked work, by tags to group by team or work stream, and by due dates to see what's coming up soon. Be mindful that stacking too many filters can hide items you expect to see. If something seems missing, clear or loosen your filters to bring tasks back into view. If you need to add work directly from the chart, use the Add Task button. This keeps your planning flow uninterrupted. Give your task a clear name and make sure to set both a start date and a due date so it appears correctly on the timeline. While you're there, add helpful details like an assignee, a priority, and tags to make filtering and reporting more powerful later. Consistent naming and realistic durations will make your Gantt chart far easier to read. That's it. You've navigated to your space, opened the Gantt view, set the time period, applied filters, and created a task with dates so it displays on the chart. With this setup, you can revisit the view anytime to monitor progress, adjust schedules, and keep your project on track.